Hello everyone. The political future of Action SA's Gauteng leader Bongani Baloyi hangs in the balance after the party confirmed it's considering changing his role. This follows reports claiming a spat between Baloyi and the party leader Herman Mashaba had caused tensions to flare between the pair. The Sunday World publication also reported on the story and said Action SA leader Herman Mashaba will be served with the divorce papers by his Gauteng leader Bongani Baloyi after two butted heads over the former's hostile policy on foreign nationals and the ANC. It is also understood that the rift was caused by what the party claims are irreconcilable differences on the running of the provincial structures and a difference of opinion about policy issues. The former Midvaal mayor met with the party's top leadership this past week, and insiders claim this is the first of a series of discussions but remain tight-lipped about the exact details. Bongani Baloyi is set to make an announcement on Monday. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.